Hello, I'm Nitesh Pradhan from LabVIEW and Multisim. It is third number video lectures of NI Flex Logger. In this video, we will see how can we connect our hardware with Flex Logger. In the previous video, I explained when I launch my Flex Logger. So at that time, I get this info. Okay, no device detected. No device detected. That okay. So I know it's clearly my system is not able to recognize any hardware. So here I am going to select a hardware. Here I am going to select a hardware which we will use for data acquisition. So for that I open to the NIMax, and now you can see here NI USB 6900609 and NI MyDAC both are available. These both are the virtual hardware. Here I am going to delete this both virtual hardware, and here after that I will try to create a real hardware. After that I will try to create a real hardware. Again one virtual hardware I will try to create. Now right click, come here, and here I am going to create a virtual hardware again, but in this time I am going to create a USB 9171 module, CDAQ module. So now you can see here I'm going to create a create a CDAQ module, compact DAQ chassis. So first I am taking a compact DAQ chassis 9174. Now the 9174 chassis I have taken. Now in this 9174 chassis, I am going to configure. So for the configuration, I am taking one 9213. Here I am going to take one 9213 9213, yes, 9213 temperature module. Then here I am going to take one more voltage module 9215 voltage module here. Yes, 9215. So two module I have taken, and now click. Now you can see 9213, that is temperature module, and 9215, which is voltage module, I have taken. Okay, so now let's come into the okay now come into the flex logger. Now here I am going to delete this one, and I am going to open new. I am going to create a new flex logger. uh, Why? Because when you will connect any virtual or real hardware, automatically at the same time this flex logger will recognize that. At the same time this flex logger will recognize your module. Here I am going to split this flex logger portion with the two parts. Look at here, to show you what happens when you create a virtual and hardware, or what will happen when you will create a real hardware. Now I am going to delete this MyDeck. Now you will see here no device is detected. Now you can see there is no device detected in my flex logger. This portion, this left side is this left side is my NIDAQ max, and on the right side you can see here it is flex logger. It is flex logger, right? In right side is flex logger, and right side it is my NIDAQ max. Now here you can see no device is detected. So how can we connect a device? That is my question, right? So for that, right click, create a new, come into select a VI, sorry, come in to select simulated DAQ hardware. Now when you will click on the simulated DAQ MyDAC device, so you will get the various options. Now here you can see I am going to select compact DAQ chassis, and the compact DAQ chassis name is 9174. Here 9174, and place OK. Now you can see 9174 automatically is detected. Okay, it's virtual, not real, but it's detected. Now you can see the counter is 10, okay, 100 hertz. Okay, and in my 9174 there is chassis number 1, chassis 2, sorry, slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, slot 4. Okay, in one chassis there is 4 slots, so I am getting 4 slots. Now I am going to configure my USB 9174 configuration. Means virtually I am going to insert two module. One is the temperature module, and the name of that temperature module is 91792192213. So here I am going to select 9213 module, that is temperature module 9213, and again here I am going to press OK. Now you will see here, now you can see here the channel. Okay, now you can see here in the slot number first, in the slot number 1, NI 9213 C series temperature, C series thermocouple module, C series thermocouple module. You can see here. Okay, these are not configured, but you can see here in the slot number 1, here it's configured 9213, and in this 9213 you can see in this 9213 that is 15 input, AI0 to AI0 to AI15. It is 16 analog input, it's 16 temperature input, 16 temperature input. Okay, it is 16 temperature input. The rate application slow is 1 hertz, fast is 1000 hertz. You can select the rate of data acquisition. Rate of slow is 1 hertz and fast is 1000 hertz. You can configure also here. Now here I am going to minimize this one. Okay, let's minimize this channel. Let's once. Okay, again you can see here when I will again configure. So empty slot, here I am going to configure. When I will configure one more module here, so for the configuration what can I do? I can right click here, either I can click here. So when I will configure one more module, and module name is ni 9 2 sorry ni space 9 2 1 5 9215. You can see here 9215, it is voltage input module. Press it now, and again here I am going to select ni space 9232. It is my acceleration sensor module 9232. Okay, click here, press OK. Now you can see two more. Now you can see two more modules I have added. 9213 is the temperature module, 9215 is the voltage module, and 9232 is my acceleration module. You no need to configure this kind. If you have a real hardware, so you no need to configure, no need to do these things. Okay, if you have real hardware and you will connect your real hardware, so automatically this NI deck will detect your real hardware, and this flex logger will detect your real hardware at the same time. So now in my 9174, this 9213 we have detected, and 9215 I have detected, and 9232, which is acceleration module, I have connected here. So acceleration means sound and vibration module. Now you can see here 9213 is C temperature input module, simulated, not real. Okay, here you can see 9215 is a voltage input module, simulated. And now you can see the okay, now you can see here it is vibration module, sound and vibration module, acceleration module. This is 3 channel, AI0, AI1, AI2. It is 4 channel, AI0, AI1, AI2, AI3, and this one is 15 channel. So here I want, okay, okay, in this way you can, uh configure, in this way you can configure your hardware in, you can configure your hardware in this flex logger. You can configure and you can connect your hardware in this flex logger. So in the next video I will see you how can you configure, how can you configure your channel into this, how can you configure your channel into this flex logger. Okay, in a flex logger to acquire the data. So thank you for watching this.